Hi everyone, I'm Sam. Welcome to my reading class.
Today we will do the 5th group of letter sounds
in the Jolly Phonics program. Here are all the different groups of letters sounds that you'll be learning. There are 7 altogether.
Now let's have a look at group 5 sounds now. Here they are. Z, zero, w, watermelon, ng, ring, v, volcano, oo, book, z, w, ng, v, oo. Well done! You did well reading along with me. Now let's have a closer look at the shapes of these letters. Z, w, N and G make ng. V, O and O make oo. Z, w, ng, v, oo. Can you name them by yourself? Well done. Now let's try and write these letters. Follow with your magic writing finger and trace along with me. Z, w, ng, v, oo. Well done tracing them along with me. Next, you could practice writing them in the same way at home. Now it's time for the Play-Doh. Let's make these letter shapes using the Play-Doh. Z, w, N and G makes ng. Z, oo. Z, w, ng, z, oo. Well done! That was fun. I love Play-Doh. Now I think we should have a look at some of these sounds in words. Z, zebra. W, watch. Ng, ring. V, volcano. Oo, book. Short and long oo. Book, moon. Well done! Okay, now let's try and write some words using some sounds. S, I, ng, sing. W, I, ng, wing. Z, I, ng, zing. Z, oo, zoo. G, oo, goo. G, et, get. W, et, wet. V, et, vet. N, et, net. N, it, knit. W, it, wit. Z, it, zit. Ooh. Ook, look. Ook, hook. Do you know any other oo words? See if you can think of some at home. You've done so well today practicing Group 5 of our Jolly Phonics sounds.
Well done watching this video. Now make sure you go and subscribe now to my channel. Just press the subscribe button. Then you won't miss out on our future videos. If you're interested in learning to read, you can also subscribe to my Mama T Phonics channel, which is also on YouTube. At home, you can also take part in lots of learning for reading, spelling, writing and speaking. Have a look on my Teachers Pay Teachers and Etsy shop. Just search Mama T Phonics.